Hey guys and gals, hey guys and gals, what's good? Oh, Stream Elements, nice job. Thank you for being part of the chat. You're awesome, and you're an AI. But hey, you're still awesome. Let's go! Alright, let me check the stream quickly, guys. Make sure that, well, I need to know that you can hear me. And you're an AI. Let's go! Turn it up, turn it up. Let's get into this quickly. Guys, I need to finish up this little project. Larry, some of you watching, you guys are all awesome, whoever you are. Wherever you are, turn it up. I appreciate the views, you guys. I know they're not insanely spectacular, but hey, I'm still happy about the views. Truly am. Some of you actually are enjoying the project, so we're gonna do a little bit more. You know, in a sense, guys, okay, I'm not doing two-line script here and go, okay, give me 100k views or subscribers. Like, you're literally getting a whole project done, like how to start a project. Not from finish to end, but we're throwing in a lot of things here, so I'm gonna add in some more for you guys. I'm gonna try to keep the project. I have to move on to other things. I have some requests to do some 3D content, so stay tuned for that. And then hopefully maybe we'll get back to working with Larry. And yeah, I got some other ideas. I should actually make some notes on that. Let me just make some notes to myself. Finished project, and I'm not going to say what I'm going to do, but I already have an idea. Yeah, make some notes for myself so I don't forget. Okay, guys, I'll take care of ya. Alright, let me finish up in chat here, get this my WordPad. I have WordPad still, Microsoft. I love it. Thank you. I have ways. Let's go. Yeah, I'm already past. I got Windows 11. I'm past that whatever the update was to remove WordPad. Yeah, I'm past that. I'm not gonna bring it up and show you guys, you know, because, you know, do I really need to? You just have to believe. You just have to believe. I am past the yeah, way past the update that removes WordPad. And look, I still have it. Hey guys, look. Okay, here, hang on. Let's go like this. Look. working no WordPad. Hello guys. I love it. It's funny. And it's awesome. I won't lie, I cried a little bit. I cried. Okay, maybe I didn't cry, but I was complaining. I wasn't happy that it was gone. I was not a happy camper. Not at all. Okay, I don't need to write resumes every day. I take notes and stuff. It's great for notes, note taking, and what else not? Well, to be honest, I'm using Notepad for a lot of my note taking, but mostly, guys, it's for my scripts. But I'll also add some notes and such in there as well. Okay, I don't need to do fancy documents. Okay, I don't need no fancy WordPad. Okay, I just don't need it. The viewers aren't going to see it. Okay? Alright, enough of that. Let's go! Alright, I gotta turn it up. Let's get into this, okay? Enough fooling around. We gotta get this project done. I have a request from, assuming they're a subscriber, but they're very adamant about me getting onto doing some 3D stuff. So I'm gonna fulfill that request because I don't have any other requests from anybody else or comments. Mostly views, which are great. I love you viewers, I do. But I'm gonna fulfill the request because I don't have much of it going on around here. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna. So I think that's great. Somebody out there giving me ideas what I should be doing. Super awesome. Okay, let's drop it in. Some of this. Drop some of this in for you guys. Subscribers! You viewers as well. Viewers! This is for you guys. Yeah, that's right. That was for every single one of you subscribers of the channel. I appreciate you. I really do. I'm gonna say it. Just so you guys know. I do appreciate you, 100%. Truly do. You guys are awesome. Okay, let's go. It's time. Let's make the magic happen. Okay. So, just gonna look at my lesson plan here I've got typed up. So, what are we gonna do first? Okay. So, yeah. Okay, I thought I've got some ideas. Okay, we're gonna add some stuff in the scene here. Okay, guys? Should we start with that? Or should we just start with the UI? Okay, let's just drop in a UI, alright? So, how do you get a UI, guys? Okay, so, we're not gonna do, well, you can do a UI for a main menu, right? Normally you see when you play a game, there's usually a main screen, right? Stay tuned for that. That's what, I'm planning on doing when I do actually continue this little project. So there you go. That's what's going to happen. But for this, we're going to actually add in, we're going to do a kind of a little, coin. Well, we're not collecting coins. We're going to be collecting cookies or something. Okay? That's what we're doing over here. Larry, good old Larry's, whoa. Sorry, guys. Larry's the business suit parkourist. That's what he is. Okay, guys? Some of you, maybe you don't know. Hopefully you're following the series and you know what's up. But yeah, that's what Larry does. He works 9 to 5 doing, I don't know, maybe he's a day trader or something. Who knows? I'm not sure what he does. But I do know that he likes to hit the old local convenience store, whether it be a 7-Eleven or whatever. And his favorite thing is, well, apparently it's oysters and Slurpees. Crazy, huh? Who would have thunk it? So he's had his fill of oysters and Slurpees. So now he actually wants some dessert. So I think we might do that. Cookies. It sounds like a good idea. Cookies. So hopefully that works out. Just doing this on the fly for you guys. A little bit of a plan, but we're still winging it. Okay, so what we need to do is here in hierarchy, the hierarchy, go to UI. Okay, I'm just right clicking on the empty space. Okay, that's it. Right click on the empty space. Okay, easy peasy lemon squeezy. UI, and we're gonna add in a canvas. Canvas from Kansas. Okay, so it's gonna get crazy big, guys. All right, so we'll hit the 2D here. You can actually go into 2D view. Okay, and yeah, there's our little world here. Okay, and here's the UI. Yeah, crazy. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Don't freak out or anything. This is normal. Okay, this is normal. Just the way it's set up for Unity, or the way Unity has it set up. So there you go. That is the UI. So what you need to do next is, okay, so this is going, I don't know, I'm just going to move it up here at the top a little bit. Okay, so what we need to do now is, so that's how you add a canvas. This is going to be the parent. Anything that goes inside, you have to put stuff inside the canvas as children, okay? As a children's, all right? Just to let you know. Okay, so what we need, so to get text, you basically have to add the text. So just to let you know, you're going to need this first, right? You need Text Mesh Pro. Okay, so first thing to do, I guess, if you don't have it in your project, Window, Package Manager. I don't know, this is kind of new here. It did this just today on me. I don't know, I can't get it to small window unless I do this. That's one way of doing it. There, okay? It's kind of what I'm used to, it being a small window. So I'm just going to resize it like that. Perfect. Okay. I don't know, you can zoom it and such, but it doesn't really minimize or shrink down to the size that it was. It probably will now though. I don't know, earlier I was in it and it just zoomed, full zoomed and whatever. Anyways, let's just move forward. So that's how you do that. In case it's full screen and you're clicking this and it still stays full screen. Well, all I did was just drag it and move it and then sized it, okay? So make sure obviously we're going into Package Manager. I'm trying to be a little more serious, guys. I'll throw in the occasional jokes and stuff for funsies. But again, this is probably, I'm going to do like a couple more videos on this. And then we're going to get into some new stuff, right? I don't know if you guys are bored of it or what, but honestly, this is a project, so it teaches you guys how to kind of create your own project, right? You don't just create a little game, type some script, and then expect to release a game. What? You're going to release a game without a menu? You're going to release a game without a canvas or text? Are you going to release a game without sound and music? No, you're not going to, right? You're going to do more than that, okay? There's a lot involved, guys. A lot involved, more than just 2 lines of script and getting 100,000 viewers, okay? Okay, that's not heroic in my opinion, okay? I think what I'm doing over here is kind of taking it to even, you know, I don't know. I'm going to Shuddy Eddie, but let's keep going. Okay, so Text Mesh Pro, right there it is, right here. Okay, and now mine says update. I swear to God, oh right, now I remember, right, that's the other one I was working on. So we'll just quickly update. It shouldn't take long. I forgot, because I got another project I'm working on, right? It's the same one. I'll do all the kind of, you know, just to make sure things are working and such in the code and whatever, so that I'm not, you know, stumbling or tripping over my shoelaces, you know, while I'm doing this. You know, it's going to still happen anyways, but Basically preparing, right? So that you guys are getting, you know, proper instruction and support. All right, there we go. Text Mesh Pro. That's what you need. Okay, there we go. Done. So that's updated. I need some coffee, guys. Do-do-do-do. Okay. Awesome, awesome. So now what we do, now that that's done, okay, so that's the first thing. Make sure you have Text Mesh Pro installed and up to date. So now we're going to right click. So now you click the canvas. Canvas is what we created, okay? When we went right click, we created a canvas. You can't have more than one canvas. You can't, okay? But we're just gonna work with one here. We're just gonna do some basic stuff, you know, set it up like a coin collection points type system. That's what we're doing right now, guys. Okay. So in order to see that, you need text, right? So UI, baby. Okay, so Text Mesh Pro. Boom. There we go. How's the import? Okay, there we go. I'm not going to worry about extras. Good enough. Okay, there we go. Text Mesh Pro. So I'm going to do something real quick just for funsies. But let's actually, so you guys don't have to worry. Yes, the size of this is crazy insane, but don't worry. Like when you run the game, like I'll just run it, you'll see the text. You should see it. It'll be there it is. See, it's in the middle of the screen. You see it? So you don't have to worry, okay? So let's move it. I'm just gonna move it in random locations. Again, I'm gonna try not to be super anal about it. Let's have a look. We'll just run it. Does that look like a good spot? I don't know, kind of, I guess. We're just guessing here, okay? I can change the color to black. So I'm gonna, I don't know, I'm gonna try my best not to go through this too fast, even though like I really want to push through it and try to stay focused and be serious here. Okay, guys? All right, let's change the text quickly. So what I did, right, it's selected right here. Okay, I could rename it, whatever. We're just gonna leave it for now. You could call it, I don't know. We're gonna call it clock display. I'm gonna show you something kind of interesting here. We'll do that first and then we'll do something else. Okay. So black is 0, 0, 0, and 1. Okay, 1 for an alpha. Actually, we want 0 for an alpha. 2555 for an alpha. My bad. 1 is transparent. Okay, there we go. So now we have a darker text. You can, guys, if you have your own color scheme and such, right? Again, you could just put in the RGBs or the hex value, right? It's really easy. I have a whole bunch of colors. I have my own colors set up going on. Let me just open quickly. Or try to quickly, but I'm kind of organized, guys, so I know where I'm looking. But we're going into levels and deep within the file system. Okay, so let's just say I wanted, I don't know, dark purple, right? Okay, dark purple is, I actually have the hex code and the RGB. So I'm going to click this. Okay, and I'm going to type in the values. Okay, you can do this. So we'll just do 1 or 2, whatever. We're going to be quick about this because we have lots to go through, guys. Okay, and I need to try to do this in a couple of videos. So hopefully you have your drinks and you've eaten and you're ready to learn and work because we're going to do it. Okay, guys? There we go. That's a dark purple. Okay, and that's the hex code there. It actually gives it to you. So you could just check out my prior videos, guys. Okay, I'm not trying to be mean or rude or whatever, but I've already gone through this stuff and explained text and colors and where to find it. Like, if you're watching my videos and that, I'm giving you guys a lot of help and support. All right. Okay, let's carry on. So now we could actually, like, if you've used Word, right, guys, you know you're gonna have alignments and such. So let's center the text. Actually, you know, left justification is fine for me, but for horizontal alignment, we'll just center it. Okay, there we go. Other things you could do, right? We're gonna change the text here. And I'm just gonna go type clock display, right? It updates immediately. It's not fitting, so just stretch it out, right? There you go. You can size it, stretch it, do whatever you want. Okay? Just grabbing the, you know, these little blue, blue circles, okay? You could also do it from the, I believe from here as well. I'm not seeing it. There it is, right? I mean, it's no different. Okay. Font size. I don't know. Is that a good enough font size? What do we use? I don't know. Font size here. Let's see. I was kind of already doing some work ahead here, and I'm just gonna. Where did I put my notes here? Of course, I got 3 tabs going on. So, where was I working here? Where was I working? Okay, what size did we use? Oh, right, you could do that too. So you could actually, let's see if I can find it. So there are a few things you could do, right? Extra settings and that. So click to expand. There we go. Rich text. Wouldn't mess around with it too much, you know. Stuff that you don't know about, just Google search, guys. Look it up. Might be somebody that's talking about it. Spacing, word, paragraph, size, auto size. There we go. So if we actually scale, you could actually shrink it and it'll change the size of the text. I know you can see the coordinates or whatever, but yeah. Okay, we're gonna go around, I don't know what size, 48, somewhere in there should be good. I'm just gonna try to size it close to 48. There we go. Okay, it's kind of still big. So 72 is too big. 48 is big enough. Okay, there we go. Okay, you can have a min and max. Alright, just simply clicking auto size. Alright. So let's just have a look at that real quick. See what it looks like on screen. Okay, it's pretty large, to be honest. So I can go a little bit smaller and maybe position it a little bit more. So max, I guess that's if you're gonna resize it, you could do that, but we'll just uncheck it and I'm gonna keep it as 36. Okay, and I just want to make sure that it's long enough. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. Okay, let's have a look. 36 looks like it's even kind of too big. Okay, so let's get into talking about text quickly. Okay, so you do get a standard text. Okay, you do get. But you can also go to, guys, okay, where to get text. There's so much I could show you guys. I could spend hours and hours and hours giving you so much information. crazy. I'm doing all the work and the grinding and already figuring this stuff out, guys. Try to make your life easier. Okay, so hopefully you're following along and not looking for them 5-minute videos, because you're wasting your time on that. You're not learning anything there. Okay, again, they're just showing you how to get in the car. They're not showing you how to drive the car, right? There's a big difference. Okay, right here. Okay, so if you want more text, guys, right here, I'll bring up the link. Boom. Okay, there you go. Fonts.google.com. Okay, and then you can just search for fonts. Okay, I've already searched for some. Okay, and I actually have them already. So what I need to do is create a fonts folder. Now, where, honestly, I'm not, geez, I guess I'll just stick it in here. I'll worry about being organized another time. So we'll just stick it in here. And I'm just gonna drag and drop some fonts. Okay, font families. So here's one. Not even in the right folder. There we go. So that's what you'll get when you download. You'll get a zip folder. Okay, properties. It is a .ttf. Okay, that's what this is. A .ttf. Okay, just to let you know. Okay, that's one of them. Here's another one. So I'll just bring in, drag and drop a couple. Okay, there we go. So there are two different styles. Okay, guys? Two different styles. All right. So now, what we need to do is, okay, go into my notes here. Do I have that in here? I don't even know. Jeez, I should be better organized. My notes are kind of everywhere right now. But, you know, it takes so much time, right? I just want to get the stream going and get things done for you guys. Doing my best trying to be organized, but again, I'm doing so many things. I've got, like, yeah, different projects going on. Okay, I think it's here. I'm just going to go off memory. Yes, there it is. I found it. Okay, so window, Text Mesh Pro, font asset creator. Okay, you kind of have to convert them. Okay, so the system should find it. So if I click this, there we go. The system recognizes it. So I'm going to click. I have to do both of them. This is the one that came with it. Okay, so it actually probably will save it in here. So I'm going to double click that one. There we go. It's in there. Gaudi. Now we got to generate font atlas. Okay, and then save. Okay, and then we're going to save it in, well, the actual project. So we need to do that. The project here is called Businessman Parkour. Businessman Parkour. So, course library. Where'd I put you? Fonts. There we go. And fonts. Save. Should pop in right there. Boom! Yes, let's go. Drop in the yays. Okay, let's do the other one. Okay, Text Mesh Pro, Font Asset Creator. I love this. This is so great that you could do that. Medieval, generate font atlas, save, and should be in the same folder location. Good. I'm saving it right in the actual project. Boom. Okay, there. So if you don't do that, guys, you won't have access to it here. Okay, because that's the font you're seeing right now. Okay, so let's do the other ones. Okay, clock display. There we go. So that you know, if you need to go over that again, just rewind, guys. Okay, When obviously not now, when it's live, but you know what I mean? Okay, so that's how that's done, right? So I'm gonna go with that font just for now. This is just for demonstration purposes only, okay? Again, that's what you could do. If you want a different font style, if you want a particular or specific font style, again, Google. I'll put the link in comments for you guys. Excuse me. And I guess, well, you know, I could paste it in the chat as well. But I'm trying to speed things up here, okay? Google Fonts, I'll paste it in chat, if chat's still, you know, there. Just depends if I have to do any edits. Again, every video of mine's getting copyrighted. I'm not getting any strikes. I'm not getting, you know, yelled at or whatever by YouTube. I don't know if I could even make any money off the videos. But hey, look at that. I mean, living off Bologna's and Wieners and doing stuff for free for the people in the world that don't even appreciate it. Let's go! Well, there are some people. I'm not talking about you guys watching. Not you dedicated, awesome people. Just the rest of the, you know. Yeah. Anyways, next, let's carry on. Okay, there, that's that. Now what's next? Let's get focused again here. Okay, we are working. So I'm gonna do like clock display here. So we got that. Just show you something neat that you could do. Right? We've updated that. Oh, I already did have. Okay, I found the text that I actually did that. Okay, Window Text Mesh Pro, Font Asset Creator, generate your font atlas and save. And then so now we need an empty. Okay, so I'm going to create an empty here called clock display. All right, I'm going to actually drag this up here. You guys, just to take note, whenever you create a canvas, you get an event system with it. Okay, don't delete the event system. That's part of the canvas. Well, it came with it. When you create a canvas, you get an event system. All right. So just to let you know. All right. So now we need script. Okay, let's do some script real quick. Clock display, I guess. I think I called it clock display. Hopefully. Oh, goodness gracious. I really don't understand how I type. I swear to God. Okay. There. Yeah, I did. Okay, let's open it up. Well, actually, we could just attach it. Make sure we attach it. What? What? What am I doing, Batman? Okay. I already have it done. Create an empty. I don't create a new empty. What am I doing here? Delete this one. Okay, too many of these. Should work still. Drag and drop it onto here. You gotta get stuff out of the way to do it. There. Okay, good. And then the text, all that will still come in. We got to do that still. Okay, open. Come on. Here. Right here. And you know this stuff takes time, guys. It takes time. Time is money. Time is money. Okay, there we go. What do I need? I just need an update. Okay. Going here. Let's see. Void update. Goodness gracious. I thought I had that updated. Where is that? Hold on. Here we go. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, whoever invented the undo is a genius. Okay, here we go. Going like this, clock display. Going here. The header, serialized field. Pop, and private. TMP, call it whatever you want. Oh, right, I need the TMP Pro. Need the namespace. Okay, don't forget the namespace. Using TMP Pro. There. Let's go. Okay, good. Okay, there we go. It recognizes it now. Text. There we go. Okay, see? Class TMP Pro text. Okay, and then update. It's real simple, quick code, guys. Dot text equals. If you're learning coding, you'll know this date time now stuff. Date time dot now to string. Okay, basic C# code. All right. Now there we go. That's gonna update. We've got it attached. Just want to check here. So drag and drop the script. Drag and drop from canvas the TMP. Right, that's the next thing. Don't forget to do your hard link. Okay. Where is that? There we go. Here. Drag and whoops. Here, drag and drop. All right. Yeah, now I remember. I named it that. That's the actual TMP Pro. I'm being silly. Okay. Well, will it work the same? I have questions. Yeah, see, I just confused myself. Okay, let's just create another, let's go like this, rename this, display text. I should have just left it. Hold up. Typed again. There it is. Text TMP. Rename. Text. Okay. Right here. Here's a note to self, guys. Okay, just so you don't mess things up like I just about did. Gonna create another empty, and this is gonna be the container. We need a container, and really that's what this is. Okay. The container is going to hold, you got to get rid of this. Remove, and the container is going to hold the scripts. There. Okay? Now we go like this. There. You guys following? I hope so. Okay? I confused myself, you know, just right off the get-go, guys. You know, I just wanted to rename that. Originally, you would think it was TMP, text TMP. If you're gonna rename it, just give it a name and then let yourself know, you know, so that little notes that this is the text, right? And then you create another empty, and then you can drag and drop your text because that's the script, right? So hopefully this works, and let's check it out. Let's go. There we go. Awesome sauceum. There you go, guys. I wanted to go through that real quick. I'll show you the, the script is really simple, pretty basic. Okay. Oh, right. Change that, rename this. That's what we're dragging and dropping here. TMP text. Okay. I just want to copy this, make sure it's updated in my backup code here. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's carry on. So something a little fun that you could do, right? And I think if I recall, there must be a way to have it wrap, right? It is kind of, well, there would be a way, I'm sure of it. There's got to be a wrap in here too, right? Margins. Oh, look. See, we could add margins too. I'm used to this from working with WinForms. There we go. See? Margins. So if you don't want the text at the edge like that, there we go. I'm going to 10 margin it. Let's go. You could probably even do the right end as well. You can see that? Nice. Nice. That's awesome. So there you go, guys. We'll go over that kind of quick. Margins are pretty straightforward. Really, they're just it's a margin. I don't want to over explain a margin. It gives you some space, right? I mean, you can see how I did that with the without even actually sliding these. Z. Whoops. Control Y. Yeah. Okay. So basically, it just creates a little margin from this vertical here on the. I don't know what to call it. Okay. All right. I'm leaving it at that because I don't want to over-explain something that seems really simple. Okay, margins. So there you go. You can do margins. And then what was the other thing? Yeah, wrapping. Wrapping right here. Wrapping's enabled. So if I actually shrank this, would it wrap? Let's see. Should. Yeah, there we go. Wrapping. That's kind of what I wanted it to do. Alright, boom. Awesome sauceum. So there you go. Okay, quick coffee. Alright. Okay, let's go on to something next. Okay, guys? So we're going to do score system. Okay, just trying to get organized here in my brain. Where do we want to start? We have to do code behind and everything, so I need to hurry this up. All right, first let's do this. Okay, where do I begin? Where are my notes? Where do I begin? Okay, is it here? Let's see. Okay, yeah, these are my notes for that. Okay, so we got a canvas. Prefabs, yeah, we need prefabs, right? So here you guys go. Okay, so if you're, so many things on my mind I could share with you guys. It's crazy. you go into your projects. Have you guys been doing the Unity.learn? I recommend you guys do. Okay, it's great for practice. You learn some basic coding and you level up from there, right? I think that's the best way to learn. Start with Unity. They've got a great support system over there. They have lots of projects. I was gonna look for the link for the website. I'll try to find it later and put it in comments for you guys. I'm not gonna waste, I know if I do it now, I'm gonna waste 5-10 minutes doing it. I want to keep moving here. So if you've been doing the projects and you've been following this series, you'll know, like, I'm not being mean, guys. I'm just being more serious and trying to get stuff done, because I have like other projects and stuff I need to get going and share with you guys too. So I need to get it going. So you'll get the starter packages, right? Remember, guys, we're doing import custom package, right? Each one of those packages, it gives you get stuff, like you're getting lots of stuff within them packages. Okay, so for example, we're gonna look at the if you've been watching the Affectionate Conch Shell one. Okay, inside of that, you can go in your file explorer. You're gonna have access to your assets or the course library, all the animals. I have access to all that. So the reason I'm showing this to you guys is you can actually drag and drop these into your project. So if I move this over, I just drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop. Okay? So, but you got to be aware of some things. So the smartest thing to do is to actually, I'm trying to, not have all this stuff in my project is what I'm trying to do. So you can either A, don't care if you have everything in your project, and so basically you could just import package, import your custom package, okay, your starter, right? Remember the starter stuff, guys? Starter files, okay? I don't have any open right now, but anyways, yeah. So you can do that and you'll get everything, right? Normally you'll get, like this stuff, right? This project was started that way. We had to import the custom package, but you can also import the other ones into here as well. But you'll have to delete the scene, right? That's the only other thing, right? Because you don't want too many scenes. Well, you can have more than one scene, you can. But there's no sense having scenes from other projects within your project, right? But you can create your own scenes, okay? So I'm going to myself, I'm going to just drag and drop, like I could drag and drop these animals and such. So my point is, here's my point, okay? You're gonna need, like, depends on what you drag and drop. I'm going to be particular. If you bring in the whole package, you're not going to have to worry about this part, okay? I'm just letting you know, okay? Right from the get-go. But let's say I only wanted the fox, okay? So I'm going to drag and drop the fox into my FBX folder, because it's going to be here too, right? Right there, okay? So for example, I'll just move this and I want the fox. Let's say I want the fox, okay? I'm gonna drag and drop the fox. There we go. Okay, but that is not the only thing. You don't just drag and drop the fox and go, yay, I got the fox now, I'm done, yay. No, you're not. Okay, you're gonna need anything that has to do with the fox. Okay, like obviously you just look at it and you go, I don't know, what texture would the fox be? Honestly, I don't know. It doesn't say fox in here anywhere, so, but they're pretty good at their naming convention or their naming system. So that makes it easy too, right? I just don't want all of this stuff again in one project. I mean, I could import it again. I could. Just don't want it all. On dogs, animals. They're animals. Oh, right there maybe. Materials. Okay. That doesn't seem like it. Simple dogs. Maybe? No. Not simple dogs. Maybe I should have picked simple dogs. Let's see. Materials and simple dogs in here. It would make it easier, right? Yeah, simple dogs. See? So I'm going to go here into my project, which is Businessman Parkour. Actually, I could do it this way. I should have stayed inside that one. I just did the fox, right? I'm going to just delete it. Okay? Again, anything you put in here is reflected right in. It's immediate. I don't know if there's a name for it, but it doesn't matter. I'm not going to care about the terminology or the little things about it. But it gets updated. Anything you do here gets updated in your file explorer immediately. Instantly, it's like mirror image reflection in real time. Okay? Okay. Lots to do, lots to talk about, guys. Okay, so here we go. Going back to here. So I was going to, so that gives you an idea, right? So just to finish, right? So anything you drag and drop, you're gonna probably, maybe it's in prefabs. Nope, that's the prefabs that we created when we were working on the project, right? So source files, you might need some materials for the simple dogs. There might be something for the animal. There's the fox controller. Okay, I could have kept it actually, but I'm worried about missing the material or the skin, if you will. That's what my brain is thinking. The texture. Okay, simple dogs is here. Is the texture for the fox in here? Forest animals texture maybe? I don't know. Simple dogs. Is there a simple dogs miscellaneous? Because these all belong, like you need all that, so can't be missing anything. Forest animals material. Simple dogs is here. Let's just try simple dogs for example. Okay, I'm going to click on I'm going to get out of 2D, and then I'm going to click on player. I'm just going to hit F. That just takes us right to them immediately. Okay, let's try this. So I'm going to start with animals, forest animals. Fox is in here, prefab for the fox. I'm just wondering if that's going to work. I'm just worried about not having the skin for it or the animation. I should probably just stick with dogs. I don't know. See, I already have one from the one project that I used, but the way they set it up, they had the script attached to the prefab, and it was kind of breaking a little bit. You would just get errors, right? So I'm trying to avoid that. So fox, where's simple dog? Is simple dog in here? I only see animations for fox. Okay. Okay. Which folder am I in? FBX. I don't see simple dog in here. Where is simple dog? Animation for... Oh, there we go. Animation for simple dogs. I found it. Okay, there we go. Boom. Okay, yeah, I know I'm missing stuff, right? I know that. Okay. Materials. Simple dog materials. I'm just gonna do, yeah, we have a materials folder. Simple dog material. Okay, drag drop that. Let's go into miscellaneous. Anything for simple dogs. And most miscellaneous. I'm not seeing anything. Maybe SA animal dog controller. It could be just that. Oop, hold up. Miscellaneous. Okay, animal dog controller. I'm gonna try that. Hopefully it works for the animal dog. Should all be the same, I would assume. Textures. Simple dog textures. Okay. See, that's the skin I'm talking about, guys. Okay, there. Okay, I want to clear this, see if this works. Okay, so there should be trying to be quick, guys. Prefabs, right? No, not prefabs. Where was that? Animals, farm animals. Yeah. I don't know if I should put it in the prefabs. Is there? Yeah, I have a prefab, right? Yeah. Let's try it. Let's see. I don't think it should be there. There's no prefab folder here, is there? Course library, animals farm. Course library. Animals. I'm just gonna do it here, anyways. Folder animals. Okay. And what? Come on. Should be part of this, I think. Yeah. There we go. Okay, and then we're gonna need one called food. Okay, I'm just trying to be consistent with there. So what do I want? I said cookie, right? So I'm gonna go into food here. I'm gonna drag and drop the cookie. I don't know if there's the food cookie. Okay, and I'm just gonna use that. That's our coin, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go into animals. Trying to be quick here. Where are you? There you are. Farm, forest, and fox. Fox 1 prefab, I guess, or fox 2 prefab. I'm gonna drag and drop them both, and I'm just curious. Okay, prefab. Okay, no. The avatar was what? Object is set to optimize game object, but does not have an avatar. See, this is what I was worried about. Was it dog we were doing? Yeah, I think so. Hold up. Am I with the program here? Yeah, we're doing dogs. I'm being silly. Okay. I just had fox on my brain. Okay, animals, fox. I'm just gonna delete them. Okay. I don't want any bugs. Okay, Control S. Clear. Okay, dogs. Animal dog. Dog. That's what we need. Dog. Okay, what kind of dog do we use? Let's go here. Okay, please work. Yes, let's go, big yays. Okay, perfect. That's what we wanted, guys. All right, so I'm just gonna rotate 90. Takes a little bit, takes a minute to get set up, get the right stuff, guys. Okay, don't wanna. So check this out. I thought I would add this in for something cool to do. A little bit of an extra effect. 2.5. Oh, that's too far. Okay. 2.5. Why are you going that way? Control Z. What's up? It's weird. Is it E? It's crazy. Oh! I'm gonna start again. Sorry there, Wolfie. What? Yeah, delete this. What are you doing there? Be gone. Okay. Animals, I want to put it in a container. I always forget that stuff. Okay, good enough. There we go. That way I don't have that bugginess going on. There we go. Oh, I love containers so much. Okay. And we'll just go here somewhere. 2.5. Perfect. There we go. Okay. And then we'll go forward a little bit. Let's go to 1. Okay, 1. Good. Alright, let's test it. See if everything's golden. Alright. The speed could be a little bit better. But I thought, hey, that's a cool little add-in. Right? I'm gonna leave it at that. Okay, I could add in another dog. Let's see, do we have a dog that's faster? Let's delete that one. Whoops, Control Z. We gotta delete the whole thing. There we go. Okay, and I don't know, let's do a German Shepherd. Okay, put it inside the container. There we go. Nice. Okay, rotate 90. What was that again? 1, 2. I gotta stop being so particular. Okay, and we'll go forward a little bit. Let's check it out. Same kind of speed. The last one I was using was running faster. It was the one from, you know, when we were doing that challenge, guys, where the character was releasing dogs and it was catching like balls that were falling from the air. That one actually had a faster run animation, but it had, the prefab had a script attached to it. So that was creating problems, and you couldn't just delete the script or remove the component because it was like locked in, attached to it. So anyways, I'll figure out later. There must be a way to make the dog run faster. I don't know if it's through Animator. I doubt it. But we're not going to worry about that. Okay, I'd actually have to bring up the Animator controller in that. That's another video. Okay, let's add in the cookie now. Okay, let's get that going, and then we're gonna get script going. Apologies, I'm kind of going through this quick, guys. There's lots. Okay, there's lots, and I'm trying to do this in a couple of videos. Okay, again, hopefully you've eaten, you got your drinks, and you're ready for this. Okay, where did I put that? Food, cookie. And I'm gonna attach that to the world objects. Okay, there. Now, did that work? Doesn't look like it. Food, cookie. I'm not seeing anything. Okay. Because we don't have any, it's missing its materials. It's missing stuff. So I'm going to just use, instead of doing that, I don't want to waste any more time, because we got to grind some more code. So I'm going to delete that folder, and then I'm just going to use what's already here. Okay, and that was obstacle, yeah, obstacle. And again, guys, I would spend more time doing it, and like, I don't know where the material is for the cookies, or the skin, right? Concrete, grass, sand. That's not the right one. All I have is the food prefab. That's it. textures, sand, gravel, concrete. There's a concrete texture now. Cool. We're not going to worry about that. What I've done is good enough. Again, if I was releasing this project, I would spend the time, but I'm not too worried about it. So we're going to use the boulder. That's just going to be, that's our pretend coin. Okay? Okay? It's just pretend. Alright, so I'm going to scale it 0.25 because I know this works. Okay, the height is going to be 4. I've already kind of worked on this a little bit. So that's our coin. Okay, guys? And since I've already talked about that, we are going to add a tag, and it's going to be called coin because I know I'm going to need it. Alright? And I better make sure I tag it. Again, you create the tag. That doesn't mean that the tag's attached, guys. Okay? Alright, so it is going to need that. We are going to do that, but not right now. So the other thing it's going to need is the move script. Because we needed to move with the, right, the move obstacle script. Which is 19.62. Okay. That's a take note type thing. Okay, boulder, script, and drag and drop the move obstacle script. Okay, same speed. Good. Alright. Anything else I need? I've got the script attached. I've got the tag. Let's just do this. We'll apply all. Okay, you have to do that. Okay, and we need a prefab. Okay, because we got to instantiate it. Instantiate it. Okay, boom. Original prefab, good enough. Okay, that's for our instantiation. Okay, good enough. That's good enough. That's good enough. That's good enough. Okay. Let's go, guys. Let's go. All right. Carrying on. Okay, so we have our prefab. This is our coin. We're pretending it's a coin. Okay. Again, you know, if we had 36-hour days and such and more time, I'd be able to just sit here and spend the time. Also, I don't know. People don't seem to have time for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour videos either. So, what are we at for time already? See, we're already over an hour. Okay. Oh goodness, I hope I didn't break anything there. Okay, we're good. Hey, yo, Sky Chip. Yo, you can't hear me? Shut the front door! Oh, Sky Chip. Yo, you can't hear. Yeah, you can hear me. I can hear. Shut the front door! Please tell me you can hear me. I can hear it in chat, or I got the stream up right now. Man, you have me tripping, bro. Sky Chip. Yo, you can't hear. Yeah, you can hear me. I can hear. See, I'm getting an echo now. Yeah, see, you know, that's crazy how you said that, because you know, when I started up my, like, I have that issue. That's one of my issues with OBS. It's like it has its own brain. I don't know what it is, guys. I can't even explain it. I don't even try to understand it. But every once in a while, in settings in OBS, it just removes my mic. And then also, I've been having kind of cord and mic issues, so I am all a little bit tripping about that. You still here, Sky Chip? I hope you can hear me. I brought up the stream. I can hear myself. Hopefully we're good. Bro, appreciate you being here, though. You're awesome, by the way. Just letting you know. Cool, cool. Let's go. We gotta keep going. I'm gonna do another video tonight, guys, okay? So, but I'm gonna just do a little bit more, and then I'm gonna stop the stream, and then have a quick break, and then I'll be live again. Again, if you're watching this when it's not live, you're awesome. Appreciate you being here. Thanks for hitting the play button. Let's go! Turn it up. Okay. Alright, so we did Boulder, created a tag, okay? Alright, did the tag, tags assigned. We have the obstacle, blah, blah, blah. Oh yeah, we have to do the, that's the other thing. We need a trigger. A trigger, yeah, we need a trigger for it. So, that's the other thing I forgot. I have to add a sphere collider, perfect. And is trigger, and make sure everything's up there, good. So if I double check, all my boulders should have that sphere collider. And if I want to double check, I could just have a look. And it's easy, just turn off the mesh renderer, and there you go. I can see my, that's the sphere collider, okay? Alright, everything's on? Okay, good. I could actually make that a little bit bigger. Radius. 1.375. Maybe a little bigger. Let's go 1.4. Right, just to make sure it gets triggered, right? It's a little bit bigger than, and that should be good. Okay, again, I gotta have the analogy. It all looks good from an airplane. All right, and then now we gotta do our code. Okay. Let's see. Code time. Okay, we've done that. The other thing we need to do is our code for our display as well. Here, this thing, this huge ass. Whoops, sorry guys. Jeez, try not to swear. Huge. Okay, what's my time here so I can beep that out? Okay, alright. Okay, note to self. Let's go. Man, he's got me all worried now about that. Not hearing me. It's really weird. Like, how could that be, man? I could hear myself. Let's go. Man, he's got me all worried. I'm checking the stream. I could hear myself on the stream, so I don't know what's up. Maybe it wasn't working for a minute. I don't know. It really sucks because I hate, like, I don't have time to redo stuff. Okay, we need Scoremanager. That's what we need. Okay, where's my notes here? Okay. All right, so let's go back to here. We're gonna get rid of this. Okay. You guys already seen how that's done, okay? Just deleting this. We're gonna keep this. I'm gonna rename it. This is gonna be, I don't know, Scorekeeper. I don't know, good enough, okay? Scorekeeper, good enough. Okay, and then deleting that. And then I'm gonna remove this. And then we're just going to add a simple text. Okay, I don't have time to we're just going to do it this way because I know it works. And I'm going to change that to this text again, I guess. font size, just rolling through this quick, guys. Okay, what did I have? I don't know. Let's go 36 again. Center, wrap and stuff. Okay, score there. Okay, and now we need code. Code is called great. Scoremanager. There. I got to make sure that the name is correct with the class. Okay, we're gonna do this quick, and then let's see. I need the update. Yeah. Okay, I need that. And then I'm going to turn this into 2 streams. Okay, guys? Public text. Do I need? Yeah, I do. I need this and .ui. Okay? Tab. Okay, private. Text. It's just basic text, guys. Okay? And public. Reason I'm just using public so that I guess I could score count equals 0. Perfect. Okay, and then what was I thinking? Yeah, I know I can use a serialized field, but we're just gonna do this. Okay, this is good enough for now. Okay, demonstration purposes only. Good enough. Okay, equals score. This is standard C# coding right here, guys. Stuff you should know. I was supposed to go like this and then like this. That's why I wasn't coming up. There we go. That's what I wanted right there. Okay, we don't want that part in the string. Okay, that should work. And then there's another way of typing this too. I'll show you the other way. Okay, whichever one works or doesn't work, just go like that, go like that. Okay, of course you want to make sure that your text matches, right? I went uppercase because it's public, right? It's just naming conventions, guys. Okay, there we go. That's it. Okay, that's the Scoremanager code. All right, and then we're going to. So let's see. Okay, all right. Just check in. Okay, let that do that. Do we need another container? I don't think so. Or maybe we do. Let's see. Okay. Right, we could resize it, best fit, all that stuff too again, I guess. Oh, talk about slamming me against the wall, Batman. Why can't I move now? Oh, goodness gracious. Why'd you lock me into that? Whoa. How did I even do that? Oh, goodness gracious. Let's just reload it. All I was doing was moving around. Hopefully I have it saved right before that happened. I suppose you're gonna do that. I could tell you're doing that. Oh my god. Brokeback Mountain. Why does everything have to break on me, man? Oh, you're kidding me. I don't understand. I really don't. That was just the weirdest thing ever. Wow. Wow. Oh, that is insane. I'm glad I figured that out. What happened there? Wow. Wow, that was insane. If I had ever seen anything insane, that was insane. Okay. Well, thankfully we didn't lose anything. All I did, guys, is I was just zooming. I must have hit the run button or something, and then that happened. I have no idea, but it was weird. I clicked this, and look at that. It just vortexed me right into the smash. Wow. Okay, good. We didn't lose anything, thankfully. Starting again. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, deleting. Okay, renaming. So now you got, whoops. Now you guys know what not to do. Well, hopefully you don't. So to get out of get back, because I had no idea how to resize it there, guys. Because I never had that happen to me before. Just moving and panning and zooming around, just flying around, right? With my camera. And it's like just went full screen or something. So all I did was just go like this. Click layer and then pick the custom layer. Okay? Oh my goodness, I'm glad I figured that out. Again, whoo! 8 hour. I did it within, 8 minutes, not 8 hours. Thankfully. Okay, what did I call that again? Scorekeeper? Yeah, Scorekeeper. That was crazy. I've never seen anything so insane. I'm wondering if it would work the same, but I just wanna do it this way. Okay? And then we're gonna go 36, and I'm gonna center it again, and I guess I could change the color again to did I write down the color? I guess I gotta open the colors. You want to see anything wild on you just come to my channel, guys. You'll see it all here. Oh my god. I was ready to just Control Delete. Oh, I guess we're doing Unity 6 now. Oh man, that was scary for a moment. Okay, what am I doing here, Batman? Get with the program. Bringing up colors. Colors. I need colors. Colors. Should have this memorized by now. I know I wrote it down, but I don't want to look for it. Here we go. Okay. 42. Dark purple. Kelly Clarkson! Dark purple font. 42, 30, 54. Done. Okay. Just want to test it. Okay, make sure we're still alright here. Okay, is that... What's... Okay. What's up? Text. Oh. That might help. There we go. That might help. Having some text in there would help, guys. Okay, there we go. Okay, good. Alright, good. Okay. We didn't lose our fonts. Good. Okay. Size 36. There. We don't need to wrap it. I'm going to leave it. Okay, good. Okay, back to our code here. I'm going to close this. Let me just save this now so we don't have to go through that again. And we're going to have to bring up... Oh, geez. I always get these two confused. Come on. Give the program here. Need some coffee, guys. Seriously. Okay. All right. So, yes. All right, close this. Let's see. Okay, Now go to player script. Okay, test score. Okay, good. Drag and drop this script onto the canvas object. Okay. Does that mean right here on the canvas object? On the canvas object being the Scoremanager script. Okay. Which makes sense. And then this goes into here. Okay. Okay, good. That's done. Alright, hopefully that's good. Control S. Just want to test this out, see where we're at. Okay. We still need to spawn our prefab and stuff too. So we have to do that as well still, guys. Okay, I'm going to click our player here and just hit F so I can zoom quick there. Okay, that's still there. So we need to create a prefab. We got a prefab of that? Yeah. Okay, good. So now we just need to make the magic happen in code. I'm gonna leave it at that, guys. Okay, I know. Well, you're just gonna have to, stay tuned and watch next video if you want to see the rest of it. That's just gonna have to be how it's gonna be. I love you. Thank you for watching. Truly mean that. Okay. All right. You're awesome. You're still awesome. Let's go. All right. I need a quick latrine break. More coffee. I need to de-stressalize a little bit after that. That was insane. I'm never like, wow. What is up? What is up? All right, guys. Much love. Thanks for watching. Quick shout outs to Sky Chip for dropping in. I don't know. He says he can't hear me. I don't know. I guess we'll see you some other time. I was hearing myself on the video, but I do have to find out and make sure. So I'm going to end this stream, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Wherever you are, appreciate you. Again, we're doing this on the fly, guys. Okay? No script, no plan. Just winging it over here. Appreciate you. All right. Thanks for your understanding, and I'll check you guys out later. Take care for now. Peace out. Whew. Man, that was insane. Craziness. Wow factor. That's all I can say. Wow factor.
Maybe I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage. In the way understand it. Girl, you're making it hard for me. Girl, you're making it hard for me. Girl, you're making it hard for me.